Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Instagram posts on different niches. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful and stunning visuals Instagram design post design on mental health. So you can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can reach out the websites related to mental health and offer them your services, and also uh, ask them that you can maintain their Instagram presence properly. And you can also sell this service to offline clients like mental health specialists, etc. So let's get started. We will go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com, canva.com is one of the best free, graphic designing softwares, and you don't need to be an expert graphic designer or experienced graphic designer. You just have to start. So create a design, Instagram portrait square. I choose square. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed. So here I search mental health awareness. Okay, there are the different templates. So I think this one is good. All things are okay. If you want to change the style, click on here, but I think this one is good. And you just have to like change this mental health is the most important okay. After that, fake website, I write dummy website for the making purpose, and that's it. Copy the same text and paste it here. There is, you can write your username. So I write a dummy username, and that's it. So guys, as you can see how we can easily create a Instagram post on mental health in just one, I think 1 or 2 minutes. So our post is ready. So guys, in case if you don't know about canva.com, then I will tell you that go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube and go to playlist section and watch the complete playlist on Canva designing course, and you can learn all about Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.